introducing this Game Pass called Lightning Flow, and it only so Brian, come over here, please. It's only on click moves with one move, so this video is gonna be really short. It's called Lariat. Hey, don't move, bro. I didn't hit you, bro. Bro, don't move, don't move, don't move. Here. Did I hit you? Oh, I did. It is to get damage, bro. Look, check, check it out. So it's just like they're hitting them with their arm. This is technically it. Just gives speed, but actually the gates is more faster. Man, my friend is pulling me in with his runic. But yeah, guys, it gives you a little bit of speed. But I recommend you if you want speed and strength, get gates. Basically,